In a world driven by technology, we are forced to teach devices how to serve our needs. The exploding complexity of production systems puts pressure on almost every industry to employ data-driven control over a wide range of environments and tasks. Implementing high-tech solutions can save time, save money, save lives. Moonlimit is a state-of-the-art, 100% autonomous UAV solution, meeting modern enterprise requirements, adapting and scaling to each business needs, developing integrated approach, optimizing software solution for each hardware device. Moonlimit system pre-trained drones autonomously execute a wide range of tasks, performing tailored missions from the air based on industry requirements, customized by customer needs, requesting no human interaction. Person or object detection, data gathering, real-time surveillance, discovering object defects, autonomous route planning, independent reactions to events, obstacle detection and avoidance, automated tasks prioritization, recognition and localization of objects, environment-based objectives changes. Moonlimit Advanced Autonomous System operates with any commercial robotic device or fleet of devices with an optimal UAV's hardware for the mission. Sensors data override upon bad weather conditions. In case of unexpected interruption, no connection, Wi-Fi or BB required. Moonlimit technology answers the needs of security and construction surveillance, solar farms, urban mapping. Moonlimit technology, providing affordable solution adaptable to any business operations.